It's always been an interest of mine. I went to school for a lot of different things, and I was like, but I fell back on dental assisting. I love it. It was just really fun. They made all the labs a lot of fun.
This is a very hands-on opportunity, because if they can visualize it and see it, then when it's time to actually do it, they can perform it without being afraid.
They make me feel very, very comfortable. Like I can always ask them questions, if I was doing something wrong.
I am a mom of two. I also have a husband that works shift work. I was working full-time and I got to go to class on Saturday. Honestly, it really has been one of the best things that I've decided to do. It shows my kid that you can do whatever you put your mind to, reach for the stars. They're not too far away.
Convenient, it is affordable. The instructors are extremely passionate about what they do, and they are subject matter experts in their field. So
it's going to be so rewarding, but your instructors will be there to push you, to help you, because we want to make sure that you succeed.
When you see a patient come in, and when the patient leaves and they have this beautiful smile on their face, that makes you feel good. Or when you get a hug from them and they say, "Thank you for holding my hand because I was really scared."
Length of the course is fabulous. It was perfect. You're not in there too long, so
a lot of stuff you're not going to learn in school. You have to do hands-on.
I didn't really realize how much we learned in class until you actually started working. And then it kind of was like, I get it now, because it's all foreign in the beginning.
Such an affordable price, great instructors, and you learn a lot. Like, you learn more than once I got out of school. There was so much stuff that I could tell people who were assisting for years